What if the secret to defying aging was already alive in the ocean, the forest, or even underground? Some incredible creatures can heal endlessly, live for centuries, or barely age at all. Scientists are now studying these biological marvels to unlock clues that could one day help humans slow aging and live longer, healthier lives. Naked mole rats don't just live a long time for rodents, they completely break the rules of aging biology. Most animals show signs of wear and tear as they age, slower movement, reduced fertility, more disease. Not naked mole rats. These odd little creatures can live over 30 years, a huge outlier for a rodent since most mice or rats barely make it to 3. Even more impressively, they stay healthy and fertile right up until the end of their lives. Females can still have litters at 25, and researchers haven't observed a sharp increase in mortality with age, which is unheard of in mammals. Part of the naked mole rat's secret lies in its incredible cellular maintenance systems. Their cells have hyper-efficient DNA repair mechanisms, which prevent mutations from accumulating over time. Their proteins are more stable, their mitochondria are unusually resilient, and their proteasome systems, which clear out damaged proteins, work far more effectively than those in typical mammals. One of the most talked about naked mole rat traits is their extraordinary resistance to cancer. In most mammals, longer life comes with more chances for cells to go rogue. Not so for naked mole rats. They produce a unique version of hyaluronan, a molecule that helps keep tissues elastic and may play a role in their cancer resistance by preventing cells from overcrowding and forming tumors. When scientists remove this form of hyaluronan from their bodies, the mole rats become more vulnerable to cancer, suggesting this gooey substance is key to their defense system. Unlike humans whose brains shrink and cognition declines with age, naked mole rats appear to maintain neurological function throughout their lives. Their brains remain plastic, and there's evidence that their neurogenesis, the creation of new neurons, continues far into adulthood, something that slows or stops in many other mammals. Add to all that, they can survive up to 18 minutes without oxygen and live comfortably in low oxygen, high CO2 environments. They achieve this by switching their metabolism to a state that more closely resembles that of a plant or a worm, relying on fructose-based anaerobic respiration. This not only helps them in their underground tunnels, but also protects their cells from oxidative stress, one of the primary drivers of aging. Naked mole rats also don't feel some types of pain. They've evolved to be insensitive to acid-induced pain and don't seem to mind capsaicin, the spicy compound in chili peppers. Scientists believe this might reduce chronic inflammation, which is a known contributor to aging and age-related disease. Their lower metabolic rate also means less cellular wear and tear over time, contributing to their longevity. Naked mole rats aren't just a quirky side note in biology, they're a goldmine for anti-aging research. By studying their unique genes, proteins and immune systems, scientists hope to unlock clues that could help delay aging, prevent cancer and extend healthy lifespan in humans. The hope is to mimic their biological advantages through gene therapy, drug development or even CRISPR-based technologies. So, while the naked mole rat may look like a pink wrinkled hot dog with teeth, it might just hold the key to living longer, healthier lives without losing our edge as we age. In a world obsessed with youth, this oddball underground rodent may end up being one of our greatest allies against time. Thanks so much for watching. If you thought creatures that defy aging were wild, just wait until you see what nature's real-life superheroes can do, from regeneration to invisibility. The next video dives into animal superpowers you won't believe exist. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you there.